Welcome to All Natural Women. I've had many questions about the facial essences of Shazam, and I'd like to answer a few of them. Firstly, what is a facial essence? A facial essence is a facial oil, which is used to target a specific condition or a specific problem which you may have. It is made up of essential oils and obviously got some carrier oils in it, and it's a very, very fine oil. So it can penetrate deep into the skin and target whatever is your problem area. I'm going to talk quickly about four of our facial essences. So we have our white jasmine. The white jasmine, obviously, it has got jasmine in, and it also has anise in. And it's there to basically, if you have got a skin that's been stressed, you've had an operation, you've had a baby, you go through menopause, you've been sick, your skin, you can see it in your skin. So you will use the white jasmine essence then to get your skin back on track. And you can just use a drop or two and put it onto the tips of your fingers, and you can then just apply it. And it's a very nice massage oil as well. So if you've got a gua sha or you've got a facial roller, you can use that as well to then massage it deeper into the skin. And always remember to just breathe them in, because it just calms you. So you might feel a bit of a tingling with a white jasmine, but that's all good. It's supposed to happen, and it's going to get the blood flow going to get your skin back into top shape again. The Rosehip 8 Plus contains rosehip, contains rose geranium, and it's got apricot kernels in as well. It also has its own natural retinoic acid. So it's like retinol A. It's got vitamin A in it. And it's fantastic for scarring. It's fantastic for blemishes. If you want to lighten the skin, if you have got sun damage, or you've burns in any other way, or you've got a scar, this is the one for you. It's got a beautiful golden color, especially from that apricot oil, that apricot kernels oil. And you can also just use a drop or two. You might be able to see it's got a goldish color, and you just apply it to the fingertips and into the skin. It also has a fantastic aroma. I've got so many facial essences on now. I'm telling you, I'm going to have a brand new skin. So that's the rosehip. So that's its function. Then we have our youth oil. Our youth oil contains ylang-ylang, and it is there. This is for everyday use, just to pep up the skin and to reduce those fine lines and the wrinkles and just give you a youthful look. So this is also a lovely oil to use. And then we have our blue azure, and the blue azure contains blue chamomile and yarrow. Now, obviously, what we all know about chamomile, it soothes the skin. And this is what this will do for you. If you're in the wind and in the sun, it's a very good idea to use the blue yarrow in the evenings. It will calm your skin. It will give you that cooling effect, and it will just make you feel like you have had a transformation on your skin. So when do we use this facial essence? So you're going to cleanse, you're going to tone. If you use a serum, you can use your serum. Thereafter, use your facial essence, and then your night cream. If you would like to use it during the day, you can add a drop of it into your day cream, and you can then apply it to your skin if your skin needs that little bit of extra oil in the day. So I hope I clarified some of the questions about our facial essences, and make sure that you invest in a facial essence. That really is a game changer. Thank you for watching.